Hello, kids! I'm Captain AHS. Did you know lines can zigzag, curve, or go straight as an arrow? They're like the secret paths that make art come alive. Let's uncover their magic together.
Baba, what are you drawing?
I'm planning our garden. Look at these straight lines. They can be horizontal, vertical, or diagonal. A straight line is the shortest distance between 2 points. Horizontal lines are like the ground. Vertical ones go up like trees. And diagonal lines slope like hills.
I got it, Baba. Thank you. Whee! This slide is so much fun.
Did you notice the shape of the slide, Mina? It's a curved line.
A curved line? What's that?
A curved line bends smoothly without any sharp angles, like this slide. It's what makes the ride so fun and gentle.
Oh, I get it! Curved lines make things look soft and smooth.
Exactly. You'll find curved lines in rainbows, hills, and even in the way rivers flow.
Saro, your sandcastle looks amazing! Thanks! I used zigzag lines to make the tops of the towers. What are the zigzag lines? Zigzag lines go up and down sharply, like little points. What about these wavy ones at the bottom? Those are wavy lines, like ocean waves. They're perfect for making the castle look like it's near the water. This sandcastle is the best one yet.
Lines really do make everything more fun to create.
Now it's the time for quiz. Which of these is an example of a straight line? Option A, a line that goes up and down without bending. Option B, a line that looks like waves. Option A is correct, which shows a line that goes up and down without bending. Which picture shows a zigzag line? Option A, a picture of a line curving like waves. Option B, a picture of a line going up and down in sharp angles. Excellent! Option B is correct. A zigzag line looks like a series of sharp mountains or peaks. Which picture shows a wavy line? Option A, a line that curves like waves in the ocean. Option B, a dashed line. Good job! Option A is correct. A wavy line looks like a flowing ribbon or rippling water. A spiral line moves only in a straight direction. Is this statement true or false? Perfect! This statement is false. A spiral line twists and turns, forming circles that grow larger or smaller. A dashed line is made of small straight segments. Is this statement true or false? Think about how dashed lines look like tiny pieces of a straight line. Yes, this statement is true. Good job, kids! Next time, we'll explore how shapes and colors team up to make eye-popping patterns. Stay tuned for the fun! Until then, keep spotting patterns in the world around you. See you on our next creative journey!